Purple eyes. See it? Really hard. Purple eyes. See it?
I think about it. I give Bridge in the jar, man. I don't know if you go far from home, but crashing.
Big up skits. So nice.
First time in
Coffee and herb in the morning.
Last time mad this morning one didn't have any kind of thing. So I smell the corner still now. Yeah man! It's like that, you know. What we say, it's all about this girl, you know. I want to know what you do. Yeah, it's all about me speaking it in bad. I was say, I don't know where I go already. See, you don't know me? See it? Murphy, right? Nobody know me as, but otherwise known as the Nazarene King. You see it? Nazarene King. You see it? Yeah, as I was saying, you know, enough months I get to and live still. You see this here, my paradise, my vineyard. It's my reality, this is my way of living. You know, the jungle, where there's me and the birds. Birds them sing for me and the bush them. You know, breeze with it. Everything is nice and natural, I like it that way. I mean, nice environment. This is the reality, you know, of life. A lot of people can't face this life. What they say? I'm going to go to the water. I'm flush my toilet.
Yeah.
I don't get like Billy for you. Like I told them girl like me, I know for myself, Billy for them because I can't get more shit in the bush and see me saying.
So that's Bill a thing for the girls.
Billy, I think the girl them boss. The girl feel at home and then come here, see me say.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Can't come in the camp and don't know if you relax and self.
Yeah.
No, some woman want everything, you know. She want love, she want everything in front of her. So she got the real gang get her.
That's first.
But that don't mean so if you go to get it, you get fucked. Yeah, so I'm 20 still, you know. You know, say, discovered by a record group called Silver, you know, Europe. Who do them still come through to me and help me out with the music system and show me the love for music, you know. Let me even love the music more. You don't know. Try and the man them see it and say, well, so how good you think you can go on, you know. So they give me a chance in my life. So one thing I wait for now is like this invitation for the European scene, you know. Okay. Real. You see it? Real thing.
Yeah.
You see what I'm saying? Yeah. So tight. It's so groovy time. So tight. The girl came peace, the girl went outside. If I get a chair that shut it up, go outside. See the big China girl, go right. You never see them moving, you don't say no.
I thought me no funny, man. You see that, man? Baby being say purple, I tell the leaf purple to my blood clot. This is gonna be a wicked tree. A man tree be wicked. And black one too. Black purple this way. Funny one, I first I say one like that. First one like this I come in here. It's black, it's gonna be black and strong. Put them up there like that.
Huh?
You're mad them up there.
Just use it and use them to see it.
You know, man, still like this, you know, this is going to grow. But anything after this, when I sit down, I set too much here for put on bread down, so put on bread down, so I will plant some plant easy.
How early can detect say a male?
Well, like in the first, let's say in the first month.
First month.
Yeah. In the third 1 month, you can have a man tree up out.
Oh, you know some man?
Well, the first, my head is small, man, but like me know it one time, so I will see it and say, this is a man tree, because the head is so small. Beer, but I say I call it this, the pallet. Beer, but I say. So if you don't know them, you are the instigator and fees are herb and then come up and this man tree for the long nail. And something go all 2-3 days and then bust out. You see, if you don't get enough water and anything.
So you have to get them out of the female fast, right? Spoil the rest.
Spoil the rest, man. See, you see how look herb.
Yeah.
If you breed herb, that's no problem.
Yeah.
Then go and come and you look for you make sure the first one you keep. The last one you make sure you get rid of them. Because the last one them not give them.
Yeah.
First one is the first fast of the bread, is it? You keep the bread up. Last one is too low. Call them low grade. But that's the south side, I mean south side, literally. If you understand that. This is me, you know? Music. The love for music, I mean, come like, is a woman, I wrap up in my arm, give her tenderness. So that's music for me. Tenderness, relaxing, nice music. The south like it, sure that. So I wish the whole world could like it. I mean, love to the world always, to my people in here, so. I mean, I just want to understand, say, music is life. So when you hear music, just do music, love music. walk music and talk music. As I said, music teach us, you know? Straight.